You dropped the remote.
Hello, Mama.
Did you use the mail today?
Did I check the mail?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there anything good?
This is the movie.
A movie?
Uh-huh.
What do we get?
I don't know.
I don't remember seeing anything else.
I don't remember. I checked it on the website.
So you didn't check the mail outside?
Yes, I brought it in, but I didn't open it. I just saw on the website that we got a new one. My ball fell out.